Hey there, friends. Today we will be reading Gingerbread Mouse by Katie Broughton. Gingerbread Mouse. A winter snow had covered the forest, but Mouse was cozy in her tiny home. She was snuggled under the covers and fast asleep. Crack! Mouse woke up and ran outside. What was that sound? A huge branch crashed to the ground, missing her by inches. Oh no, Mouse cried. Her cozy home was ruined. Uh-oh. There's the mouse. She is worried. Climbing a tall tree, Mouse saw the twinkling lights of a house nearby. I will look for a new home there, she said. After a long, cold journey, she reached the big house. A warm light glowed from the window. She climbed up to take a peek. Mouse couldn't believe her eyes. There, inside the house, was her new home, just her size. Almost like magic, but how could she get in? She sees the house. Then Mouse saw her chance. She jumped onto the tree as it brushed by and was inside the house in a twinkling. There she is, going inside the house on the Christmas tree. Mouse scurried up onto the table. She couldn't wait to move in. There she is, going inside the gingerbread house. She made a small box into a dresser. She made a rug and curtains from ribbon and string. She made a rocking chair from cardboard. So here's her dresser, her curtains, and her rocking chair. This is starting to feel like home, she said softly as she dropped off to sleep. There she is, going to sleep. Suddenly, there was a huge crash. Mouse jumped up from her bed. Ouch! She heard someone say. A giant man in a red suit stumbled into the room from the fireplace, rubbing his head. He pulled packages from a large bag and placed them under the tree. Uh-oh, I wonder who this is. You have a nice little home, he said, as he filled the stockings over the fireplace. You mean me? Mouse asked. You might need a place that will last a bit longer, though, he said as he sipped his cocoa. Maybe I can help. He stood up and brushed cookie crumbs from his coat. Then he pulled one last gift from his bag. What do you think this is? Mouse gasped in surprise. There in front of her was the nicest gift she could imagine. It's beautiful, she cried. But when she turned around, the man in the red suit was gone. Ho, 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 she heard echoing from the chimney. I think it's Santa. Mouse settled in right away. Wow, look at her new home. She has the bathroom, a hall, a room, a kitchen, and a living room. It's a beautiful home. On Christmas morning, the snow was falling softly outside the window. Mouse got up bright and early to watch the presents being opened. There she is in the Christmas tree. Later Christmas night, Mouse sat happily knitting a sweater in her new home. She heard a soft knocking sound. She peeked out the door and saw a package on the doorstep. A small card was attached with ribbon. Here's the small package. Aww, they made a gingerbread mouse for her. Merry Christmas, Gingerbread Mouse. The end.